Next video, another bizarre bug. This one's really old. This one is 4 years old.
Here's a video to start off the Halloween season just right.
Estamos aquí en la casa de mi bisabuela. Se fue la... ¿Qué es eso? Se fue la luz. Esta es la casita. Porque... Y mi mamá... Espérense. Y mi mamá...
Dude, kids are so annoying sometimes, bro. Like, we're trying to document some evil here. Can you shut up about having to pee?
Mi mamá y mi abuela se fueron al Oxxo a comprar velas por eso. Por lo que pasó de que se fue la luz. Y pues estamos aquí. Estas son las... Mi abuelito. Espérense, no sean chillones.
What, his ashes are in there? Dude, that's a crazy box.
No va a pasar nada. Y esas son las cenizas de mi bisabuelo.
Dude, that's a sick ass, like, ashes box. It's kind of big.
Porque pues desgraciadamente él ya falleció.
And it's dusty. You let his ass get dusty.
Y el baño está allá. El baño, mi hermano quiere hacer pipí, pero el baño está allá. Y mi abuela nos dijo que cuidáramos.
Oh, but I thought she was saying outside is where they go to the bathroom. That's what I was getting stunned about. But no, there's a person in there. The fuck? It kind of looked like something on a stick, though. It's too straight, and it's like the middle is like focused in the same, like, I don't know. That seems a little sketchy.
Mi abuelo nos dijo que cuidáramos aquí su casa en lo que ellas iban. Pero espérense. Pero pues el problema es que aquí no sabemos. Y pues no tengan miedo.
Yo, she's a badass, bro. She's taking care of the little ones, and then she's also facing this evil head on.
No pasa nada. Abuelito, si estás aquí, preséntate con nosotros. Si estás aquí, preséntate ante nosotros.
Stop, Burka.
Somos tus nietos.
Yo, who's that, though?
Someone or something is hiding in what appears to be a shed.
No, there's a person there, dude. Someone's messing with shit. Like, I don't know if y'all are playing a game right now.
When suddenly, the thing inside comes flying out and scares the living daylights out of the children.
It just got thrown.
Talk about traumatic childhood experiences.
Whatever was on the stick, you just threw. Like the fabric or whatever. Like, no, dude. She's weird for faking this.
It's definitely
it's a child. Like, what are you doing manipulating people with video?
one of them. Now, based on this last scene, it could be that the shadowy apparition is in fact some sort of animal that was taking shelter inside the shed. What appears to be an apparition may actually be a bird or a bat, as it seems to come flying out of the shed.
I mean, I guess it'd be a fucking huge bat. That would be the biggest bat ever. I mean, it looks like a shirt, bro. It looks like a cloth that was like wound up and chucked. Like, that's literally what it looks like.
It could be that the shadowy apparition is in fact some sort of animal.
Okay, let's go to the next one. This one's stupid. And I'm mad she was trying to con me.
The following video shows footage of a barbershop during business hours when suddenly all the barbers inside the shop encounter something beyond belief. Barber T had obtained this recording from the security camera inside the shop after experiencing this creepy encounter. Here's the footage that was posted by him, along with the text-to-speech voice explaining the video's events. Be sure to look closely for this one, as something else happened.
Get to the video. I feel like the lead-ups are starting to piss me off.
So we just realized the barbershop is haunted. I didn't notice the door moved at first. Pay attention to the door.
It could just be somebody holding it. You gotta go show me, otherwise I'm not believing it.
It was all jokes and giggles until
Yeah, you already showed
My
me that.
boy John was super spooked, and so was I. The shop is for sale now if someone is interested.
I don't even believe that. What is with this low effort AI voice?
A door all of a sudden
And you switch to another voice? Bro, you really gotta get it. Ugh, that bothers me, dude. Yeah, the door just opens. Why are we still on that? Okay, this is a rough one. I don't love this one. I'm just starting, because the other two, just ass. Just ass, bro.
This next video was suggested by Luna Moon, who had found a video that's been keeping her up at night. Luna writes, a father takes out his phone and begins to record a Playhouse tent that he bought for his daughter. All appears to be normal until the father sees something inside the tent, causing him to flee out of the room and end the recording immediately. This is what he caught.
Le compré un castillo a mi hija y ya no sale de aquí para nada, weón. Es re lindo, tiene ventanita y todo, pi. ¿Qué es esa mierda? Uy, no.
As the father walks over to the side of the tent, he sees what appears to be someone hiding inside.
Nah, it looks weird.
But as soon as he pans back to the tent's
You just cut it.
entrance, the figure is no longer there. Naturally, the father ran out of the room and ended the recording.
Nah, it's just fun little editing. I mean, come on, dude. It just looks so stupid. Like it's so obviously like actually there. And then right there you cut. Right when you hit that corner part, I saw it. So I'm straight off this one, dude. Bad video.
YouTuber Yamaku uploaded the following video after hearing strange noises from inside his home, from an object being thrown to the ground to a door closing on its own. Viewers are certain that Yamaku has captured footage of something unexplainable. But the most
Both could easily be fake though. So that's actually two of the easiest things that you could do in where you're starting to like film your paranormal stuff, because all of a sudden it's doing well.
are certain that Yamaku has captured footage of uploads in which Yamaku captures the following footage. This is what he caught.
Sound edit after. I already calling it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. This one's good. Wait a second. Yo, he's an expert with panning audio. Like, that's crazy. Well, get your ass in there. Ah, he's just crazy good at panning it so that it sounds like it's moving. And bro got a bidet. Like, you think he's just gonna live with a ghost? No.
Yamaku captured
Not a guy that buys a bidet. He's not just gonna take that. Yeah, he added it after, bro. But he like panned around the way that it sounds, so when he's moving, it actually seems like legit. Which is crazy, bro. Like, that's actually awesome. Really good fake. What are you doing?
Yamaku is recording himself lighting an incense candle when the following happens.
I hate incense, bro. They smell so strange. Every one of them is just like the weirdest scent that you could never even cook up in your head.
Viewers believe that he may be dealing with something supernatural. Yamaku has yet to
No, I don't think so. I think it was just sound that was added after, and he did a very good job of making it like environmentally add up with the video. I'd be so scared to go into the... He don't even act like it's like crazy, bro. Like, this has just been happening. Like, I don't believe his reaction. I don't really believe like the setup, like these angles that he has. Like, why are you recording that incense part? And you have your tripod up between the doors. You didn't have that there in the first video.
Deja J submitted the following photo and writes, "In this picture, 2 children are leaning photo of them, but when she did, she was horrified by what she had caught in the photograph."
I hate the ones that are pictures. They're just so boring. There's like 2 seconds of like intrigue and then it's over.
She had never captured anything like this before. This is the photo she took.
This is stupid. And you're going to tell me so this is a face right here because pareidolia. Yeah, exactly what I was pointing out. Of course. Of course. So annoying, dude. The ones that get me are ones where they automatically think it's a ghost. The first thing I think is, exactly, bro. Like when they act like it's like they're worried, like they don't know what's going to happen to their own safety. That's when you're like, okay. And they default on ghost after. That's a real situation where you're like, I've tried to find the robber and there isn't one. But yeah, no, that could be anything. I don't know how your room is set up. I don't know none of that. So this doesn't mean anything for me. And it's just an image. So we had the 2 seconds of whoa, and then it's all right. Let's do the last one because this one's kind of ass, bro. I was expecting this to be better because these are all hold, bro.
King Gritch submitted the following video and writes, "In 2013, the Paris family was celebrating a birthday at their home. It was just the 5 of them."
There's always a birthday video. Why is there always a stupid birthday
as evident
video?
in the video. But after looking back at the video, it appears that someone else had been there. Here's the footage that was taken at the party.
Not the TV. How do I know that's not a real person? You're just telling me that that person never existed and I'm supposed to be scared?
The silhouette of a child passes by in the background. The Paris family was sure that no one else was there.
They were sure. No, I don't believe it. Right off rip, I don't believe. No. That was terrible. That was terrible. I'm not liking that video. I was not fond of any of these. Yeah, no. This one was cool because it was so well faked, but I'm not liking the whole video for that. It's ridiculous. All right. I don't know why my stupid thing I really wanted to show on here, but I don't know what button to press. I'll just do it later though. Oh, is it this one? Hey, there we go. Got it.